Hello friends, I am Jay and today in this video we will learn how to make a mask to protect us from coronavirus. So friends, need 2 rubber bands and one large size hanky. So now what we have to do, we have to fold our hanky like this and like this. Now you can see this. Now what we have to do, we have to put these rubber bands in this like this and this one also. Now you can see this. Now we will fold this like this. And now what we have to do, we have to put this portion in this side and then your mask is ready to wear. Now you can see this mask. You can stretch it also from here and see this rubber band. You can also see this. Now friends, thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay healthy.